Dynamic markers enable the creation of markers from a data source. For instance, on a map, it is possible to automatically show locations based on their position. Using the PandaSuite database, I'm preparing a list of places, each with coordinates, a description, an image, and a name. Initially, these location markers are not visible on the map. You only need to create one marker on the map and authorize the dynamic source, specifying the PandaSuite database as the source and the list of places. For the marker's position, I select the coordinates from these elements and ta-da! The location appears automatically on the correct spot on the map. It is possible to customize the map's appearance around its markers. By using a dedicated action, I ensure that it is displayed automatically at the right location. To show the correct information when clicking on each marker, I include an action that allows to remember the selected item. The current place variable is automatically updated with the chosen item's value. Next, I add an action to display the map for each location. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, I achieve the desired effect on the map level, displaying the correct information upon clicking. How do we manage to display the accurate information? Simply by adding a data binding to each element, which depends on the current element to show the correct information. It's simple, it's stylish, it's PandaSuite.